Place screws where they will carry the load, prevent twist, and clamp the jamb tightly to framing. Start by sinking screws through the hinge jamb at the top, middle, and bottom hinge locations using long construction screws that reach into the wall stud at least 2.5 inches. Pilot drill each hole at a slightly smaller diameter than the screw shank to prevent splitting the jamb and to keep screw threads engaged fully in the stud. Stagger screws by driving one through the jamb rabbet and another through the jamb face about 1/2 inch away so the wood fibers do not split and the load is spread laterally. For the strike side, place a long screw at the top and bottom of the strike plate area and one at door height with the strike plate removed and replaced after installation, so the frame pulls tight to framing where the latch carries load. When setting screws near the threshold or head, use glue and a short pocket screw or blocking to prevent localized crushing. Clamp until the adhesive cures for the strongest bond. Always countersink or set screws slightly below the surface and cover heads with matching filler or screw covers to keep hardware flush and prevent interference with weather stripping or trim. Common mistakes include using screws that are too short, which leaves the jamb anchored only to sheathing and not the stud, so always choose screws long enough to engage 2.5 to 3 inches into solid framing. Another frequent error is driving screws without pilot holes, which causes splitting or misalignment, so mark and pilot every hole and drive screws slowly to keep the jamb plumb. A third issue is concentrating screws in a single line, which lets the jamb twist under load. Stagger screws and use at least 3 vertical attachment points on each side to distribute forces evenly and maintain square alignment. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides tools to post projects and receive interest from professionals. We host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real installation experiences.